Yeah. Sick 'em, boy.
Billy.
Come on, dang it. It's a wet dog. Billy, shh, come here. Nathan's good with his dogs.
When? We've had it like 3 years.
Stay in there.
She looks young because she's
In a bath.
no,
She's a
she was
robot
very
guy.
ill when she was like the run of the little. So she's taken a lot of time. You came over when my parents were away, didn't you? The holiday. Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hello, sweetheart. She's a bit deaf.
Oh. Tell me your ass. Dog podcast.
Shite cat.
Fall in, boys.
Hey, there you go. Bill. You come in. You. Who's this? Who are these? That would be Scriffle's the quiet one. Oliver's dead.
Look in there.
Oh. I finally got fed up with that fucking noise.
Yeah, we had a bit of sorry.
Yeah. Like, what do we say after you said that?
Who wants what?
How about tea? Toe Shagger's place.
Okay.
You all want tea. We might have biscuits.
We could so watch Battle Royale now.
Woof woof.
What about Battle Royale?
How long is it? It's quite long.
It's about an hour and a half.
No, we'll get back from those.
You watch some keys.
Get
Stop filming the bums of many animals.
Well, there was one time when Nathan got a camera and
Time
zoomed
for
in
another
his
bum.
mouth and then zoomed it out of the cat's rear. Sugar?
No, I don't take any.
Just the two of us that take sugar.
Go.